Hello friends, Harivam to all of you. We all are enjoying in the summer camp. This is the nature food session. In summer camp, kids are enjoying a lot. Me and my friend Rajendra Anna, both of us doing well of these food making session. In this session, we do the veg mixer. See how the colorful vegetables we cut into a very small pieces of beetroot, carrot and cabbage. See, these kind of raw vegetables are very healthy for our body. See, we add some ginger, 2 tablespoons of ginger and the kothambir, the coriander leaves. And we put some onion and beans all together. We are taking all the vegetables for equal level. Each one cup of beans, onion and everything. We put some coconut, chopped coconut for extra flavor. It's looking so colorful and very nice consistence. Our veg mixer is slowly get prepared. We put some fried chana dal and peanuts for extra flavor. At the same time, in that the protein is very rich. See, in raw vegetables the fiber content is more. At the same time, compared to boiled vegetables, raw vegetables is more healthy for our body. We put some pepper and jeera powder. We take 1 cup of pepper and 1 cup of jeera and put it into the mixer grinder and make a powder. We put some salt. We take some fried corn. Mix it everyone. So this is salt for the flavor. If you want, you add some lemon juice. We put turmeric powder for extra color. At the same time, turmeric powder is very good for health. It cleans germs in our body. Mix it well and add some salt. Add some salt for flavor. See, now we are get ready of all the vitamins, minerals and carbohydrate. We get more energy from this veg mixer. We can take this for breakfast as well as evening 4 o'clock snack or at the midday time. For flavor, we add some lemon juice in it. See, this is the live session how we are preparing. It's a very simple. The very important of this veg mixer is we have to cut the vegetables in very small pieces. How much the vegetables is small, that much the taste is high. Mix everything and put some fried corn and serve it. If you want to put onion and coriander, just you keep it. It gives a good flavor on it. Now after we put lemon and everything, it is little watery, not much more, very little. So we are putting this poha to make the vegetables dry. Now it dry more. So just mix it well. See, children are eagerly seeing. They are enjoying a lot of this session because healthy food, at the same time they are get more tastiest food also. These all are. Now, almost we finished 80% of veg mix. Finally, give it in the bowl and serve it. Put some fried corn. See, it is look like train pelpuri. In train they are serving like this. So here also we doing the same thing. Just we put some murmur and corn, fried corn. Gives nice flavor. See, everyone is eagerly waiting for the, yeah, he's very lovable boy, Vishwanath. He likes this nature food more. So first plate is for him. After that, just we mix. We put some more that fried rice and put some fried corn all together and serve. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you like this video, please share to all your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Please don't forget to click the bell icon. If you want these kind of workshop, please contact us. We are doing these kinds of workshop in so many places. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you on next video.